Chase Bill Pay allows you to pay bills online without paper checks. First, you'll need a Chase online banking account and multi-factor authentication enabled for security. Log in to the Chase app or website. Navigate to Pay Bills or Bill Pay. Select Add a Payee. You can search for the biller using the integrated search bar, which contains over 10,000 supported payees. If the biller isn't found, manually enter the payee's name, account number, and address. For added security, include a phone number. Confirm and submit. Chase typically verifies new payees within 24 hours, thanks to recent AI enhancements. Payees are categorized for easy organization. One-time payees can be added without being permanently saved, while recurring payees are saved for future use. Once you've added a payee in Chase Bill Pay, you can easily set up payments. You have two main options: one-time payments for occasional bills or recurring payments for regular expenses. When scheduling, you'll choose the payment date, amount, and which account to pay from, either checking or savings. For recurring payments, set the frequency such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You can also specify start and end dates and enable automatic deduction from your balance. Chase Bill Pay includes smart scheduling, an AI-powered feature that suggests the best payment dates based on bill due dates and your cash flow, helping you avoid overdrafts. Standard payments are free, with daily limits up to $100,000. Expedited payments may have fees. Everything is encrypted for security. Payments are processed through secure methods like ACH, EFT, or check, depending on the payee. This automates your bill paying and helps you track your payment history. As of 2025, Chase Bill Pay remains free with no monthly caps for eligible accounts, making it easy to manage your finances.